How to change favorite quote on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile. Click these 3 points in the top corner. And then click edit profile, scroll all the way down, and now click interests. And then here we'll find favorite quotes. Click on it and change it. Type anything you want here and save it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.